Increasing your club type in eToro involves maintaining a high tie balance. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to increase club ties in eToro. So the first thing you have to do is you have to understand the requirements to eToro club as a 5-star sliver. So here is the available ties as a minimum balance requirement for you to increase your club tie balance in eToro. The first thing you have to have up to, if you want to move from sliver, if you want to move from sliver, you have to have at least nothing less than $5,000. Then if you want to move from sliver to gold, you have to have nothing less than $10,000 in your balance. If you want to move to platinum, you have to have nothing less than 25,000. If you want to move from platinum plus, you have to have nothing less than 50,000. Then if you want to move from platinum to diamond, you have to have nothing less than $250,000 on your current balance. And monitor your tie balance. Your tie balance is the sum of the cash available in your eToro investment account. So the total invested in your eToro investment account and your cash value in eToro account has it has a significant figures to your increment in eToro app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow me. Thank you.